Hey everyone. So a lot of you have been asking me about the glasses holders that you've seen on my dashboard. I would work in my free time and I thought that I could whip something up pretty quickly to give me a place to put my glasses, since in the Ioniq 5 there's no overhead storage for glasses, which I'm used to in all my other vehicles I've owned. It's a pretty simple design. The glasses just slip right on. On the back of each one, I have 5 rare earth magnets. For the portion where your arms of your glasses will slip in, I used Velcro. I used the loop side, which is nice and soft and should protect the arms of my glasses. And some of you who play the drums might recognize what I made this portion out of, which is the butt of a drumstick. I play drums also, and I have a lot of broken drumsticks laying around, so I figured I'd finally put those to good use. I think these are going to work out well. I don't think I really needed to make the drumstick ends that long, but I kind of like the way it looks with them being a little bit longer. If enough of you are interested in purchasing these, I might consider making them as just a few one-offs. Let me know in the comments below if you'd be interested in purchasing something like this. I might make a few one-offs. In a few days, I'm going to be posting another video with a review of a glasses holder that is 3D printed by a member of the Ioniq 5 community. And you can purchase that from his store for, I think it's $10. So check back for that video. But anyway, thanks for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, hit that button. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.